Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and after a brief hiatus, I'm coming back to you with a brand new brand. And this brand takes a while, but it is custom, it is made to measure, and I'm happy to present it to you today. I've done a few preview videos, but today is going to be the official unboxing from Graziat. Now, Graziat's located in Taipei, and I'm very excited to give it a whirl. They included this great picture here, which actually may be of my boots. Has my name on it. Very excited to see what they've done with it. Now, this was a right in the middle of where I'm focusing on my combination leathers from last year. It says, "Dear John, thank you for loving our work." Now, Graziat is known for being able to do a bunch of different things with their shoes and boots. And this is some basic care instructions. This is thank you for purchasing, authenticity, and then this love and care thing for how to do it. So let's take a look. Now, these are boots. Very interesting shoe trees. It looks kind of like a twill, but it has a little bit of a curve to it. All right, now here we go. This is beautiful suede on top of this crust leather, which has been very nicely polished, and a very beautiful last. And then, of course, the sole. You see they still have the tape on the middle plate, which I think is just fine. Look at that sole work. And then they put in Swabian, which is the name of my boat, actually, which has a colloquial meaning of whatever. And they made a lot of efforts to make sure that I understood the correct colloquial meaning, because it also kind of means lazy. And I'm really appreciative that they took the time to do that, as I'm not a native speaker of Mandarin. So now we'll take out the other one. Now, these do have custom trees as well. And again, just this gorgeous last, this gorgeous material. They're fully lined. And that tattoo, as well as the ever impressive sole work that they do. Now, obviously, the real test of these is going to be how they feel on the hoof. You can see that it has a contrast tongue as well. I did that on purpose instead of having a suede tongue, so it's kind of like the WSG tongue. So we will put this back together, move it aside, and here you will see the first time photoed by me, the beautiful new field boots. Now, the story is, as you guys know, I'm a fan of field boots. And so I asked them whether they even made them, because there weren't any pictures of any on the site. And so they sent me a rather rough drawing of what I was looking for and what I wanted. And then I went through their site and I looked at all of the different options that I could have on different things, different patinas. And finally I found this patina and I decided to do this color suede. And then I changed the patina a little bit, which they really executed perfectly, just to make it my own, a little bit different than what other people had, but very grateful for the work that they did. And just looking at the overall quality, you know, the stitch density is very high. Stitch density in the sole is also extremely good. What you would expect for a fully handmade pair of boots coming out of any of the best markets in the world. So now this is my first pair of shoes from Taiwan. Although, as most of you know, I have many different pairs made in Asia. And so very excited to work with these guys and give these a try. As you'll also note, they give me several works in progress pictures, which I'm very appreciative for as well. And then these are 3-piece trees, which I will do another video on later. Now, it's always interesting when you get speed hooks. So the quality of the speed hooks, how's it gonna work? These seem very well in the boot, as well as pretty sturdy. So hopefully they don't bend out the first time I put them on. So apologize to them for the delay in actually posting this video. These arrived while I was out of the country, and I wanted to make sure that I was in a good place with good light on the day that I filmed this. This is actually without any of my studio lights. This is just by a couple of windows with exposure to where the sun is right now. So hopefully this comes out nice. Thanks again.